Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a surprise for you. Let me get this out of the way. And here it comes right now. There it is. The newest WRTH Directory of Global Broadcasting for 2023. I've been reading these books for the past 4 decades, I think. And it's always been my go-to reference encyclopedia, whatever you want to call it, to find out information about shortwave mainly, and then FM, AM, TV, you name it. And it's just chock full of information. You will never find this much information in one place. And now I got a copy of the 2023 revised version. I was really dismayed when the company that was producing this over the years decided back in 2021 or 22 to stop publication. And I did a report on that and kind of distraught. But then later I did a publication announcing that a new company, a German company, was going to pick it up, and they would produce the 2023 version, which has been available. But I've been a little hesitant. It's $48 on Amazon, and I'm like, well, I got the old ones. Do I really need this one? Well, my good friend Thomas, who has been supporting my channel for years, sent me one of these. And I really want to thank Thomas. And it's awesome. It is awesome. Now, the one thing I did notice is I think the font back here in the detail, I think it's slightly different. Maybe it's my old eyes, but it seems like it's a little smaller. I mean, even at that, look how thick it is. And I don't, geez, it's just under 900 pages. I think it was over 1,000 before, but that was with, I think, a bigger font by the other publisher. It still has station listings and details, lots of details, and equipment reviews and articles about listening in general. Let's just take a quick look at what's inside. I won't be showing you everything. I've got to be a little careful here. So we start off, and there's some articles. This is about the broadcasting history of Andorra, if I pronounce that correct. Here is the WRT-HF receiver guide. SDR guide tells you, in general what they are, what modes they have. This is fantastic for somebody just getting into shortwave listening. This is a great table of the suitable frequencies for 2023 by location and time. Again, related to the solar flux index. Then we get these maps. These are maps with the most, or the favorite broadcast locations in the world: United States, South America, Europe, so on, so on, so on. And then here's a time zone map. All good information if you're getting into it. And then it starts into the listings by location. So if, like, for instance, if I can find it real quick, China. Where is, there's China. Okay, it starts way back here. Pages and pages about China broadcast. Oh my gosh. City locations. Here's the frequency guide from long wave, medium wave, FM, shortwave, and just all kinds of information about locations, where the transmitters are, how you can contact them. And it's by city, like I said. There's Germany. And it just, look at that, pages and pages. I mean, this is one of those books you just can sit down and read it. Not line by line, but, you know, skip around things you're interested in. And then what's the next section? Medium wave frequencies by region, another way of listing it. So these are frequencies by region instead of by state or country or city. And then major shortwave stations of the world. National television stations of the world. And that's about it. A little logbook, kind of small if you're really into this stuff. And some other information, general information, domestic shortwave transmitter sites. Oh, it's just, I mean, you got to get, oh, I'd like to have that radio. Maybe Thomas will send me that radio. I'm just kidding, Thomas. I'm just kidding. That radio is $699. So you ought to get you one of these. I'll put it in my Amazon store. And if I do and you purchase one, I get a small commission, which I use to buy things to show you. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks to Thomas, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.